Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So my starter kit has arrived and I'm very excited, and I ordered it last Wednesday, that was September 12, right before midnight, and it arrives last Friday. And by the way guys, I want you to know that I recently became a Mary Kay independent beauty consultant. So for this video, I am going to show you guys how it looks like and what's inside of the starter kit box. So without further ado, then please keep on watching. So here's the box guys and what it looks like. Actually, I already looked through this because I'm so very excited. So now I'm gonna show you guys what's inside of the box. So first thing we have here, this is this small little card. This is Hello Gorgeous. I really like the color and it's so adorable. And we'll see what's inside of this very nice little card. So this one is welcome to your Mary Kay business. So next we have here success is in the card, so I need to take a look at this later. And this one is my receipt when I purchased this starter kit, and it cost me $117 including the shipping fee. The next is the bag. Oh, I really like the bag. This one, it's a black color. Here's my Mary Kay bag guys. It comes with the 2 packet, and then I'm gonna show you inside. So yeah, this inside of the bag, and it's very colorful, and there's a pocket here, neat pocket. There's 2 of them, and yeah, I can put all my stuff in here when I started to sell my products. Then next, there's a little box here inside, and it says, if just one more woman today discovers how great she really is, it will be a great day, by Mary Kay Ash. So here's the box guys, and I'm going to show you what's inside. So this is how it looks like, and it says here, today is your day. I really like the color guys, and I really like the design as well. They're so adorable. So next thing I got here, this one is a signboard where I can use this if I have a little party. So yeah, this would be cool. I really love it. So next thing guys we have here, this one is binder, where I can use this whenever I have a little party at home. Yeah, this is so cool, and I really like the color. It has a heart design inside. So next thing we have here, this one is disposable facial clothes. So I really need this every time I have a client at home. The next we have here a magazine from Mary Kay. So next guys, I have here, this one is brochure where you can see the list of all the products from Mary Kay, and I got 10 pieces. Yeah, I got 10 pieces right here. Then next we have here, this one is notebook. This one is used for when I start my inventory, so I can write it down here. I really like it, the color guys, and I really like the style. This one is really perfect when you do the inventory. The next we have here, this one is just a pamphlet. So next thing we have here, this book right here. This one, it says Great Start, Ready Set Sail. So next thing we have here, this one is for the customer profile. So next thing we have here, this one is a tray where you can put all the samples right here, and it came with 20 pieces pair. The next one is this little envelope. So I'm gonna show you guys what's inside of this little envelope. So first we have here, this one is, these are all samples. This one is eyeshadows and a lipstick in it. So yeah, I can use this whenever I do the samples to my customer. And then there's two of them. Next thing we have here, this one is about Mary Kay, and it says miracles happen, Mary Kay Ash, the life and timeless principles of the founder of Mary Kay Incorporated. So I'm looking forward to read this, guys. Then next we have here cute little paper bag. Well, take a look, guys, what's inside of this paper bag. So first we have here, this one is, it says Mary Kay Satin Hands Satin Smoothie Refining Shake Scrub. The next one is this Mary Kay Satin Hands Nourishing Shea Cream. Then the last one, we have this Mary Kay Satin Hands Protecting Softener. The next one we have here, this one is Translucent Loose Powder. The next thing I got, this one, this is Mary Kay Timewise Age Minimized 3D Night Cream, and I got two of them. The next thing I got here, this one is Mary Kay Timewise Age Minimized 3D Day Cream SPF 30 Broad Spectrum Sunscreen, and I got two of them as well. The next thing I got here, this one is CC Cream Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 15, and I got 5 of them. So next thing I have here, this one is Mary Kay Timewise Age Minimized 3D 4-in-1 Cleanser, and I got 2 of them. Next one is this. This is oil free eye makeup remover, and I got 1 of this. So next I got here, this one is Ultimate Mascara. The next I have this right here, this one is Mary Kay Timewise for Age Minimized 3D Eye Cream. I'm looking forward to try this out, guys. The next thing I got here, this little box, so I'm gonna take a look inside what's in it. So yeah, this one is Mary Kay Timewise Repair Revealing Radiance Facial Peel 1.7 ounce. I got only 1 of them. The next thing I got this one. We'll take a look what's inside of this. So yeah, I got 4 markers here, and this one is something like a card, and I got 5 of them. The next we have here, this one is a receipt whenever the customer purchased from Mary Kay products. So next thing I got this one, this little kit. This one is a mirror, and I will show you guys what's inside and how it looks like. So here's the little pouch, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. And this is the mirror, guys. It's very cute. I really like it. And I got 4 mirrors. Those are very, very cute. Then the last one, I got here, this one is a brochure where you can see the list of all the products as well from Mary Kay. So guys, that would be all, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have questions, just leave down below and I will try to answer you as soon as I can. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.